Tired of heat damage? Say hello to the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set, your new secret for gorgeous, damage-free curls. This amazing overnight heatless curler lets you achieve stunning, frizz-free, salon-worthy results without a single hot tool, protecting your hair from breakage. Crafted from 100% luxurious satin, the 34-inch rod is incredibly comfortable to wear, transforming your hair while you sleep soundly. Unlike flimsy alternatives, Kitsch delivers a premium, soft satin experience that truly cares for your hair, preventing snagging and maximizing comfort. Imagine waking up with perfect, bouncy, no-heat curls that last all day. It's truly a game changer for busy mornings. Each set includes the luxurious satin curling rod and 2 matching scrunchies, making it a complete, elegant solution for your styling needs. Just 5 minutes of wrapping before bed is all it takes. Secure it, sleep, and unveil a beautiful, effortless overnight blowout look. Ready to transform your hair routine? Click the link in our description to grab your Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set on Amazon today. This is the ultimate hair accessory for anyone seeking easy, healthy styling, making it a thoughtful gift or a must-have for yourself. Seriously, if you want beautiful curls without the damage and effort, the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set is absolutely the best choice for 2025.